Meet my wife, Linda. That's me with a white shirt. This is Jean, aka Propi, and Tion, aka Kitplanes. We're on a flight to Thomas River. Day 1 is Willowmore, and then on day 2 we'll be heading to Thomas River. Total estimated flying time is around 6 hours for 2 days of flying. Upon arrival we get to meet Reed Wardle. We also get to meet his brother, Mark Wardle, aka the engineer, and then we get to fly with these guys.
All we really have is time.
I'm at 6450 and I'm doing 80 at like 5,100 RPM.
Yeah, I'm at 80. Stable at 6,300 feet at 4,800 RPM.
It's getting pretty cold here. I mean, it is 8 degrees. My bum is sore already from the heat.
My bladder is full already. But it's fine, I can climb.
Wat was het hier gevallen?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have begun our descent. Yo. No way. Okay, sorry.
What was it they used to say?
After sunset arrival in Willowmore, we had some rest, we filled our tummies, and obviously we had to play some pool. First priorities for the morning of our trip to Thomas River were to get some cool drinks and also some fresh undies for those that forgot.
Tian, wat maak ons?
Dis nou onderbroeke. Kan jy nie sien nie?
Oh, they closed.
Day 2 of our trip to Thomas River. It's supposed to be day 1. We can also start filming today only because we had to rush yesterday, get everything done, as in arrange our lives, pack everything and get wheels up in about 3 hours. So today is the second leg of our trip to Thomas River. About 2.5 hours of flying ahead of us for the day. We took the morning easy, had a brekkie, and yeah, getting our last batch of fuel now, and then we'll be heading out from Willowmore to Thomas River. Looking forward to seeing some places that I'm familiar with from childhood days.
Okay, so yesterday we jumped into the trip a day before we should have. We had a look at the weather, and I just need to see that I'm not putting too much fuel in my plane.
Willowmore traffic, Echo Mike Yankee +3 lined up on runway 12. We'll be climbing straight out, routing Sutherheim onwards to Thomas River.
Behind this hill.
Okay. Which I think is just on the dip here. Okay, I'm going to set up for a long final, but it does feel like it's a bit crosswind there.
I think it's going to be as good as it's going to get today.
Yeah.
Thomas River traffic, Fox Engineer Zulu is on a long final for Ash, full stop behind Echo Mike Yankee.
And how was it?
And this is where Jean got his nickname Proppy for losing his fuel cap. We had to improvise and make different fuel caps. On the way to our accommodation, we had to stop off for a cold beer after the long flight. It was only 3 hours long.
Okay, we flew from Willowmore to Thomas River yesterday, and we had some turbulence, which was pretty sketchy, and then we had to land at a different strip at Thomas River because it was a bit windy. And today we're just going to go and get some fuel. We're a day early, so yeah, we check it out, go have fun. And Tian's going, so we need to get running.
In part 2, we installed a couch in the back of a pickup truck which we use for our transport to our aircraft. We also find a Jack Russell that chases Springbok. We found planes flying sideways. We even found planes trying to land on some stripe in the middle of nowhere.
Jan, vertel ons 'n storie daar. Wat het jy gemaak?
Een prop verloor.